Chapter 8. The chapter name is How Do Organisms Reproduce? What you understand by meaning of reproduce? Re means something sound like again, again, repeat. Please repeat, ma'am. Please repeat, sir. Means repeat. Again, something repeat. Something repeat. Produce. What is the meaning of produce? There's something formation. It may be food, it may be progeny, something produce. Means plant produce food for us. So they produce something. Animal reproduce. Matlab they produce something. What is this? What is this? This is a reproductive organ of plant. This is a whole part of female part, and this is male part. चलिए start करते हैं. First question: do organisms create exact copy of themselves? My answer is sometimes yes, sometimes no. And why I say yes and why I say no, मैं प्रूफ करूँगी इस चीज़ को भी, अभी के अभी प्रूफ करेंगे. Look at it. This is a cell. We all know about cell. This is a structural functional unit of living body. Alright guys, this is a very basic definition. This is a cell. All are familiar with cell. What does cell contain? What kind of thing cell contain? It contain nucleus and many more other cell organelles like mitochondria, lysosome, Golgi body, ribosome, cytoplasm, many more things. But I am interested in nucleus. Why? Because they have DNA. And what is DNA? This is our genetic material. Why I call it genetic material? Because they transfer generation to generation. Can I repeat again? Why I call DNA is a genetic material? बहुत सारे साइंटिस्ट ने इसे प्रूफ भी कर दिया है कि DNA इज अ जेनेटिक मटीरियल. आज हम जानते हैं कि DNA जेनेटिक मटीरियल ही है, बिकॉज वो एक प्रोजेनी से, एक जनरेशन से दूसरी जनरेशन में ट्रांसफ़र होते हैं. योर पेरेंट्स DNA and your DNA 99% सिमिलर, बिकॉज वो आपके पापा हैं और आप उनके बच्चे हो. Okay guys, what is the meaning of that? I said DNA genetic material in the sense of create exact copy of themselves, because DNA have ability. What kind of ability? DNA replicate. Seriously, DNA replicate? Yeah, DNA replicate. How? Look at here. DNA is a double stranded helical structure. I repeat, double stranded helical structure. Is it clear guys? Is it clear? DNA is a double stranded helical structure. Okay. How they replicate? They are both strand 1 and strand 2. Both are separate first. They both are separate first. देखो, look at here. One strand and this is another strand 2. Okay. Now they replicate. Yellow. Okay. One copy produce 2 copy. Look at here. And further they can replicate. Yeah, further they can replicate. If they want, they can replicate again and again. Like this, both of strands spread separate, and this both strands separate, and they also form their copy. Exact copy guys, exact copy. एक जीन भी exact होगा, एक जीन की भी हेरा फेरी नहीं होने वाली. Exact DNA, exact, they are same genes, same enzyme, same site, same nitrogen base, same sugar, everything is same. Means one DNA produce 2 DNA, and 2 DNA produce 4, and 4 produce 8, 8 produce 16, 16 produce 32. Exact copy. So DNA create exact copy of themselves. Okay, the term yes is clear. Why I say yes? No, ये भी बहुत जल्दी क्लियर कर देने वाली हूँ मैं. Look, come next पढ़ते हैं. Next, move further. I already told about this DNA copy of creation additional. I already tell about this. The importance of variation. बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट टर्म है, बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट टर्म है। वेरिएशन इज नेसेसरी गाइस, वेरिएशन इज नेसेसरी। योर फादर हैज़ some special characters, your mother also have some special characters, special, normal, कुछ भी guys, special हो or not, both, they mate, you born, you have both characters, you have both the characters, you have the characters of father, you have also character of mother, and then you found your female, and then you reproduce and baby born, they have their your character and mother character also. Means this and this both are contribute their genes. Your father has different kind of genes, special, like height, like color, like eye color. Mother have different special feature, like she has curly hair or straight hair, okay, her nose is superb, slim trim, no disease. So you have both the characters, tall, handsome, good looking, perfect eyes, perfect hairs, perfect charm, perfect body color, okay. But if father mentally disabled, mother also have some diseases, and baby born with disability, what you understand? These two specific things, what you understand? This is a perfect son, grow faster, much more smarter, and this is not perfect, grow slow. So both kind of variation is present in environment, both advanced variation as well as not perfect, average, both kind of variation present in environment. So you can understand about, do we understand? क्या हम समझ गए हैं? क्या आप समझ गए हैं? What is variation? Here I am explaining what is variation, the importance of variation बाद में. Do you understand about what is variation? Understand? यहाँ से मैंने एक टर्म क्लियर किया है, यहाँ से मैंने एक टर्म क्लियर किया है. व्हाट इज वेरिएशन? यानी कि एडवांटेज करेक्टर्स भी एटमॉस्फेयर में है एंड डिसएडवांटेज कैरेक्टर भी एटमॉस्फेयर में है, या बोथ टाइप ऑफ एडवांटेज एंड डिसएडवांटेज कैरेक्टर्स प्रेजेंट इन देयर आवर एनवायरनमेंट. ओके, दे आर स्मार्ट, फास्ट, ग्रो फास्ट, mentally strong, but they are grow slow, but they have good gene and they have bad kind of gene. Both variation are present and also live. मतलब इसके पास डिसएडवांटेज है पर ये मर तो नहीं गया ना, है तो सही, they are not dead ना, they are here, they live here, they survive here. So variation present, fast kind, smart kind of variation be present, and slow and average variation is also present. Okay, now importance of the variation. It means if someone have smart character, intelligent character, perfect body, they give what? Natural selection. What they give? Nature select them first. It use thought ना, लड़का स्मार्ट है, हैंडसम है, अच्छी खासी पर्सनैलिटी है, तो फीमेल चॉइस उसी को ज़्यादा जाएगी, तो वो नेचर में ज़्यादा सेलेक्ट हुए, फीमेल चॉइस उसी को जाएगी, वो ज़्यादा सेलेक्ट होंगे, बजाय इनके जो मेंटली डिसेबल्ड हैं, ज़्यादा सक्सेसफुल नहीं है, एवरेज काइंड ऑफ है, फीमेल उसी चूज़ करेगी और उसी से ही प्रोजेनी बनाएगी. एंड उसी से ही आगे क्या होगा? उसी से ही आगे क्या होगा? गुड जीन, प्रोजेनी टू प्रोजेनी, जनरेशन टू जनरेशन पास होगा, जनरेशन टू जनरेशन पास होगा, ठीक है, वो वेरिएशन पास होगा, अच्छे कैरेक्टर पास होंगे, तो वो इंपॉर्टेंट हुआ ना वेरिएशन. इफ़ समवन मेट विथ डिसेबल पर्सन, ओके, तो प्रोजेनी भी कुछ मेंटली डिसेबल ही हुई. अगर इत्तेफाक से प्रोजेनी मेंटली डिसेबल हुई, इफ़ दे बॉर्न विथ मेंटली डिसेबल्ड, देन दे पास देयर प्रोजेनी. क्या पास करेंगे आगे अपनी प्रोजेनी को? बैड जीन्स. फीमेल चॉइस नहीं करेगी इतना उनको, और अगर कर भी लेती है तो बहुत मुश्किल है ना सर्वाइव करना एक डिसेबल पर्सन को. अब समझ में आ गया व्हाट इज़ द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ वेरिएशन. मीन्स जो परफेक्ट है वो रिप्रोड्यूस फास्ट करेंगे, बॉडी परफेक्ट है, एवरीथिंग इज़ परफेक्ट, रिप्रोड्यूस फास्ट, दे ग्रो फास्ट, they give more and more beneficial character to their progeny and they transfer generation to generation. Understand guys? All understand? Okay, now let's come. हम रीडिंग करते हैं पैराग्राफ की. द कंसिस्टेंसी ऑफ डीएनए कॉपिंग ड्यूरिंग रिप्रोडक्शन इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर मेंटेनेंस ऑफ बॉडी डिजाइन फीचर दैट अलाउ द ऑर्गेनिज्म टू यूज पर्टिकुलर नीश. रिप्रोडक्शन इज देयरफॉर लिंक्ड टू स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ पॉपुलेशन ऑफ स्पीशीज. मीन्स व्हाट दे से दैट डीएनए रेप्लिकेट होना नेसेसरी है. डीएनए का रेप्लिकेट होना ज़रूरी है ताकि बॉडी परफेक्ट फंक्शन करे. दे परफॉर्म हाईली ऑर्गेनाइज्ड मैनर स्टेबल. ओके गाइज, नाउ what they ask question, look at here, what is the importance of DNA copying in reproduction. अगर रिप्रोडक्शन ही नहीं होगा, एक कॉपी से 2 कॉपी, 2 से 4 नहीं हुई, मीन्स प्रोडक्शन ही नहीं हो रहा है, कॉपी ही नहीं हो रही है, तो एक्सटेंट, वेरी सून दे गोज टू एक्सटेंट. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाई इज वेरिएशन बेनिफिशियल टू स्पीशीज बट नॉट नेसेसरी फॉर इंडिविजुअल. आई टोल्ड यू ना कि वेरिएशन इज गुड, एडवांटेज वेरिएशन ऑल्सो देयर, डिसएडवांटेज ऑल्सो देयर, बट दिस इज नॉट नेसेसरी. देखो, एडवांटेज जीन भी आगे जाते हैं एंड डिसएडवांटेज जीन भी आगे जा रहे हैं, बट इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि डिसएडवांटेज जो जीन आगे चला गया वो मर जाएगा, नहीं ना, सर्वाइव करेगा ना. मतलब हाँ, अच्छा है कि एडवांटेज जीन मिले, बट इसका मतलब नेसेसरी नहीं है. जैसे कि खाना नेसेसरी है, फूड नेसेसरी है, एक्सक्रीशन नेसेसरी है, उस तरह से रिप्रोडक्शन नॉट नेसेसरी. बट अगर इफ़ यू वांट टू produce your progeny, to diverse your population, so you have to reproduce, otherwise you goes to extinct. Look at here, mode of reproduction used by single organism. Now we all discuss about unicellular organism, how they reproduce. Okay guys, single organism. Okay, we going to learn about how unicellular organism reproduce. First is fission. Look at here, for unicellular organisms, cell division or fission leads the creation or new individual. Many different pattern fission become observed. Many bacteria protozoans split into 2. Look at here, cup fission and binary fission. We're going to learn both. They example क्या example दे रखा है. Some bacteria, many bacteria and many protozoans reproduce in this manner, fission and binary fission. Look at here, this is amoeba. Amoeba want, I want to reproduce. What they do? They become enlarged in size. They become enlarged size ज़्यादा, enlarged in size, and they split their first they split their nucleus. Look at here, first they split their nucleus and then second split their nucleoplasm. Third, they split their cytoplasm. Look at here, nucleus divide or not. This is one nucleus as this is another nucleus, or this is yellow portion is their nucleoplasm. Now first nucleus divide, then nucleoplasm divide, and then look at here, cytoplasm divide, and look at here, divide. One amoeba produce 2 daughter cell, first and second daughter cell. Is it clear guys? Fission is clear. Now next is, look at here, binary fission in leishmania. This is also a unicellular organism. Okay, this one is produced kala जार disease. Okay, this is watery. This is structure of leishmania. And देखो, look at here, they first divide their what? देखो, look at here, they first divide their nucleus. I'm writing here, first divide their nucleus. यूनिसेलुलर नहीं, मल्टीसेलुलर भी यही करते हैं. दे फर्स्ट डिवाइड देयर न्यूक्लियस. सेकेंड, लुक इट हियर, देन सेकेंड साइटोप्लाज्म. लुक इट हियर, देखो, दिस इज अ स्पेस फॉर्मिंग, मूव फॉरवर्ड एंड देन नाउ split, and now the split. This is a mode of how binary fission in leishmania. Now how question is arise, it tell me about how unicellular organism divide, reproduce. So you have to write fission oblique binary fission and you elaborate amoeba reproduction and leishmania reproduction. Okay, look at here, multiple fission. Look at here, this is a one cell divided into 2. This is a one cell divided into 2. But there, look at here, this is a one cell, but inside the cell divide many daughter cells inside the cell. divide many daughter cells. This is the unicellular organism, Plasmodium. They have this ability, multiple fission. We all know study they one cell divide into two, but this one is one cell and nucleus divide, many daughter cell produce inside the one cell. Inside the one cell, many daughter produce. You have learned three examples: amoeba, leishmania, and plasmodium. What is the example? Example name is fission, oblique binary fission. Now next is multicellular. Now it's term to multicellular. Okay, multicellular have some simple reproduce method. Okay, like for example spirogyra. For example, spirogyra simply breaks up into smaller pieces upon maturation. These pieces or fragments grow into the new individual. Look at here. This is spirogyra. This is a spirogyra. Their body pieces divided. If their dead body pieces is divided, one body piece form another spirogyra. Another body fragment is produced in another spirogyra. This body fragment reproduce another spirogyra. It's a simple method है ना. आपकी एक उंगली कटी और एक उंगली ने पूरा का पूरा आपको बना दिया. ऐसा है स्पाइरोगायरा में. ऑलराइट गाइस, नेक्स्ट स्विच करें रीजनरेशन स्विच करें. बिल्कुल. हाउ दे रिप्रोड्यूस सो फास्ट? बिकॉज दे हैव एबिलिटी ऑफ रीजनरेशन. कमाल की एबिलिटी है ये, बहुत ही कमाल की एबिलिटी है कि बॉडी पार्ट से one segment is removed and this segment produce whole the organism. Piece is removed and it produce whole organism. Look at here, complete organism form. चिंता मत करो, अपने में ये टेक्निक नहीं आई अभी तक और अभी तक ग्रो नहीं हुई है. रीजनरेशन इंपॉर्टेंट, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. क्वेश्चन फॉर्मिंग एरिया. क्वेश्चन फॉर्मिंग एरिया यहाँ पे हम पढ़ने वाले हैं हाइड्रा के बारे में और प्लेनेरिया के बारे में. व्हाट दे आर multicellular organ. Alright guys, they are multicellular organism. Hydra, look at here. Hydra, this is their structure. I'm just drawing some simple diagram. Their mouth, the tentacle. If I want to show regeneration in Hydra, cut some piece of Hydra and this turn into complete Hydra. Look, dekha. What about planaria? This is like a planaria. Platyhelminthes, planaria. If I cut, look at here. If I cut into pieces, 1 piece, 2 piece, 3 piece, 4 piece, all piece form planaria. All the pieces are form planaria. This process is called regeneration. Regenerate their self. How they regenerate yourself? Because they are simple multicellular. They are simple multicellular organism. They does not have high profile, well organized digestive system, respiratory system, excretory system, nervous system. They does not have these things. They are simple. They are simple, very simple organism. So next, they are made up of cell, not tissue, not organ. They made up of cells. So they easily can divide their self. Understand? If they are made up of tissue, they can't regenerate whole body. If they made up of organ system, they can't regenerate their whole body. Okay, they are simple multicellular cellular organism. What I say? Cellular organism. That's why they have regeneration ability. Okay, we are also multicellular, but we don't have any regeneration capability. Okay guys, look at here planaria. Look at here planaria. This is planaria divided into pieces. Each pieces made whole organism. Whole organism means complete planaria. Look at here. This body part regenerate their new body. This body part regenerate upper body part, lower body part, and this body part regenerate upper body part. Complete planaria. Sounds good? Budding. We saw budding in Hydra. Yeah, look at here. There is Hydra. There is Hydra. Here is mouth. These are tentacle. Why tentacle? Why tentacle? For capturing food. For capturing the food. How they reproduce? First by regeneration, and other is budding. Their outgrowth is formed. Outgrowth is form, then grow. Now outgrowth is grow, and now form complete baby hydra. And now when they completely mature, they split out. They split out and attach with substratum. Alright guys, these are budding process. Now next is vegetative process. We are going to learn about some plant, how they reproduce, not by their reproductive organ but their other than reproductive organs. Like some your bookish example is bryophyllum. Bookish example is bryophyllum. This is a plant leaf, like this is their appearance. They grow there here, देख रहे हो, they regenerate their self. Means plant की लीफ रिप्रोड्यूस कर लेती है और ये ब्रायोफिलम की लीफ बना देगी, और ये ब्रायोफिलम की लीफ बना देगी. और मैनी एग्जाम्पल like grafting process. Do you hear about grafting? That we cut any plant like here, if अपन इसे soil में transfer कर दें तो क्या होगा? Here also they grow. देखा, vegetative ability is here. Here is vegetative ability. Sugarcane also, rose, grapes, they show vegetative propagation. They show vegetative propagation. Now next is spore formation. Many kind of plants like rhizopus, they produce spore. They produce spore. Look at here. This is a rhizopus plant. This is a spore. Look at here. Sac like structure है एक, ठीक है, called is sporangia. This is a sac like structure. What they form? Spore. One spore divided into 2. Look at here, 2 divided into 4, 4 divided into 8, 8 divided into 16. Like many spore are forms, and then they mature, they burst the cell membrane of sporangia and spread outside. And each spore form another plant of rhizopus. So here unicellular asexual reproduction is complete. First, what we learned? Fission. Another, we learned fragmentation. Next, we learned regeneration. Next, we learned means fission oblique binary fission is same. Next, budding, then vegetative propagation, and next last is spore formation. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम कवर करेंगे सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन. So if you like my videos, then please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.